Hello world! Now that I'm moving my headquarters back to Conegliano, my hometown here in beautiful Venice region in Italy, my first goal is to build a new hub that will become the center of all the future creative projects I'm going to be working on. The plan is done and the building process has already started. Since this is a work in progress, during the first phase, let's call it Alpha phase, I will set up a temporary studio here in Venice. So let's call this the Alpha Studio. From this studio, I will coordinate the development of the new creative hub in Conegliano. I will run all the pilot tests, the new ideas that I want to implement in Conegliano once we'll be done with the construction. And of course, I will share it all with you on this channel. I created a to-do list to get the Alpha Studio up and running in Venice. And the first item on the list is furniture. Okay, this is gonna be an easy one because the furniture from my studio in London just landed today here in Venice Mestre. Now I'm in Venice Old Town, so I'm in the Laguna. And Venice Mestre is inland on the coast. So this means I will just need to get there, pack it all in my car. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna do that and bring it to the new place where I'm staying in Mestre. All right. This is done. When I started to make music back in the 90s, I needed more space because my equipment was analog. But these days, many of these components that I used to produce are digital. So the working space I need to make music just boils down to a desk. This desk. But since now I'm in Italy and this is where my archive is, I'll probably get another couple of interesting things in here. Stay tuned.